All right, Minorcan Navy, let's go down to Brunswick, Georgia for I think what is the 88th annual Blessing of the Fleet. And this is a Mother's Day weekend tradition. However, things were not going quite as planned. The festival that kind of surrounds the actual blessing was canceled. That said, there was a diehard group of folks who came out for the blessing, and a few boats did show up for the service. We had Father Van Alstyne from the St. Francis Catholic Church. They are present, and I'll show you guys kind of what we were up against. The weather simply was not good for any kind of outdoor activities, and thankfully we did have a window where the boats could come out, where we didn't have storming weather. But the Brunswick Fire Department was out with their ladder tower to give the priest a good vantage point for the blessing. He came out with a contingency from the Knights of Columbus. They were there as well. Bagpipe player was there. We'll share a little bit of that with you guys now. If you guys are familiar with the channel, then you know about the Dora F and the Dora F II. Dora F II was here for blessing as well. And if there's one boat, one group that need it and deserve a really good blessing, it's the crew, Captain Johnny, Jonathan, and Mason from the Dora F II.
Bernice II, Captain Leo Ross, built in 1944 at the location of the City Market dock. It is the oldest licensed shrimp boat on the East Coast. The dock in Brunswick the whole time, originally built as a tugboat, and originally had a locomotive engine. Trivia, your shrimp trivia game, and now let's give the Bernice II a big round of applause, everybody. Third and final boat is Billy's Bait Boat. Captained by Billy Bennett, built in 1979. Billy's Bait Boat is a 22-foot master mold that has just been rebuilt. Captain Bennett has been catching bait since 1980. Amazing. It was a good. Thank you. Give a big round of applause for Billy's Bait Boat, everybody. Kathy Dowdy, Betty Morgan, Kay Welch, Jackson Hogan, and Jason Bennett. Brunswick Landing Marina, City Market, and Price Pay Cinematography. And again, for the full list, check out BrunswickBlessing.com. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Well, guys, a very short service today for this Blessing of the Fleet, but I will say a determined group to see the blessing through, and I thought that was pretty impressive here considering the weather. Hey guys, thanks for watching. As always, we want to say you guys be safe out there.